I'm going to show you how to change your Android applications into dark mode or dark theme. Let's start by opening Facebook. Okay, click on the three lines at the right side. Look for settings in privacy. Click on it. Click on dark mode. Turn it on. Back. That is how to change your Facebook to dark mode. How about other applications? Let's go to Messenger. Click on your profile icon near chats at the upper left corner. Here you can see dark mode. Enable it. Back. Okay, that is how to change your Messenger into dark mode. Let's change Chrome to dark mode or dark theme. Click on the three dots on the upper right corner. Open settings. Go to theme. Click on dark. Okay, that is how to enable dark theme on Google or Chrome application. Next, YouTube. Click on your profile icon at the upper right corner. Click on settings and then general and look for dark theme. Enable it. Back. That is how to change your YouTube to dark theme or dark mode. Lots of Android application has dark mode or dark theme. You just need to find it on the settings tab. Thank you for watching. Like, click on subscribe and share.